Welcome to the step-by-step SQL tutorial for data analytics and software development. In this part, our topic is deleting records in SQL. So, deleting records from a table in SQL. Now, open your MySQL database that we are using XAMPP, and inside XAMPP we are using the PHP MyAdmin Database Explorer. In our PHP MyAdmin Database Explorer, we are using a Northwind database. Northwind database is available on many websites. It's a database of a trading company which is used for educational purpose. In our Northwind database, we are using this particular table called customers. So customers have 93 total records. Suppose we want to delete any particular customer, right? So there is a customer with ID as LACOR. So we want to delete this particular customer. For that, let's first select that customer. Let us select all the records of that customer. So select start from customer where customer ID is equal to LACOR. Now hit go and you will receive all the columns. This particular customer belongs to France. It has some postal code and views. His contact title is sales representative and his contact name is Daniel Tonini. Now, if we want to delete the record of this particular customer, so what we have to do is there are three ways. First, we can let SQL write the syntax for us. So delete from customers where. So where customer ID is equal to this. This is one way of writing the delete query. So you have to supply that particular column or that particular column value. Suppose we want to delete all the people from city Madrid. So delete from customers where city is equal to Madrid. Or we want to delete all the people from Spain. So delete from the customers where country is equal to Spain. So, but in this case we are using the customer ID as our identifier. This is our query. So delete from customers where customer ID is equal to something. We can also write delete from customers where city is equal to, let's say, Madrid. So where city is equal to Madrid or Barcelona. Delete from customers where country is equal to so delete from customers where customer ID is equal to LACOR. Now in this case all those customers who have customer ID of LACOR will be deleted. So because customer ID is a primary key, so there is only one such customer and that particular customer will be deleted, all the records. So remember, in case of update, when we were using update in the previous video, only the column values were changing. Only those column values were changing for which we were writing something, right? If we wanted to change the city only, then the value of city was changing. Other values remained the same. Other column values were not changing. But in case of delete, that particular record will be deleted permanently, right? So also in this case, delete from customers where city is equal to Madrid. So in this case, all the customers from city Madrid will be deleted, and all the customers from country Spain will be deleted, right? So this is how we can write delete. We can also write and we can also combine our records using the operator. Suppose we want to say delete from customers where city is equal to Madrid and contact name like L, like L percentage. So in this case, all the customers from Madrid and with contact name starting with L will be deleted. So this particular table customers is a relational table and it has some foreign key constraint. That's why we cannot delete the data from this table, but we will use another simple table for demonstration of delete. And we have a table where it's a table of some hospital. There are two records of hospital. One is, or we can use any other sample table. This is a banking table, and these are some accounts. So there are two users, Mohan Sharma and Pankaj Sharma, and the status of this user is active, right? So what we are writing is delete from TBL account where is active is equal to 0. We want to delete all those customers who are not active. Now is active is equal to 0, then delete and click go. Because you are deleting a record, that's why it is asking you once again. This is for confirmation. Do you really want? Yeah. You will say yes. Now you will see that only one customer is now remaining, right? So this is how we delete something. Now in SQL we can delete some record by clicking this particular button also. So this will also fire the same way. Now this will delete this record. This will delete the record on which we are currently hitting delete. Suppose there is this hospital section. In our hospital there are two hospitals. You want to delete the second hospital. If you will click delete. So this is the query which it is giving us. Do you really want to execute? Do you want to execute delete? So this is the query. So you can write down this query and whatever programming language you are using. Suppose you are using Python or C# or Java, whatever programming language you are, or PHP, or whatever programming language you are using, and you want your user from front end to delete certain records. So you can fire this query, and in place of ID, you can place their ID. Right? So this is how we delete some records. Now there is a suggestion. In this table, there are users with, we can say it's a flag, is active is a flag. Okay. So instead of deleting your users, you can set their is active flag to 0. So you can use update. So update TBL account set is active is equal to 0. And whenever you want to select some records, so always you select start from users where is active is equal to 1. So by that all your customers will be there in your database, but they will not be active. So either you can use that tactics or you want to completely delete the record, you can use the delete command. Suppose we have a table named A profile. This is a dummy table, and we want to drop the table from our database. So this is also deleting the table, right? This is how you can delete a table. So in this case, we will use drop table and table name. So when now you will click go. So to drop a table, now this table is dropped, and you can see that only one table is now there in the banking database. So to drop a table, what we have to do is drop a table from database. You have to write this drop table and whatever the name of table is.